We got to make some meatloaf, y'all. First things first, get your onion. Girl, don't do that. What is that? First things first, get your onion. Chop it up. So, y'all gonna need y'all a big bowl. That's what we putting everything in. Get your meat of choice. Yeah. I don't know how much to make. I gotta make Mr. some tea. I'll probably do half of it. This is some, y'all, this is a lot. Okay, I'm gonna do half. So, if you ain't used to getting your hands dirty, put on some gloves. Let me make sure this mic on now. I did charge it. All right, it's on. You're gonna need some gloves because, baby, you have to put your hands in there. Girl. You're gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need some bread. Now, what you wanna do is, how many pieces of bread? I'm gonna get like 3 pieces of bread. This ain't the bread that we always buy, but that's the bread that I'm using. Why? Because that's what my mama used. Don't mind this oil stain, y'all. I couldn't get it out. What we gonna do? Take some water. Soak that bread. You want that bread? Of course, they say you can use what is that? Breadcrumbs. I was a little girl. My mama used this. Cause you're gonna put that in there, and you're gonna need an egg. 1 egg, baby. This is for the moisture. Okay. So how we gonna do this, y'all? Cause y'all wanna see. Okay, we're gonna bag it up a little bit. Let me open my season pack. The season pack that I'm using is McCormick meatloaf. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Okay, let me get my egg. I'm not sure. I think you're supposed to whisk this egg, but we're gonna see. So, we're gonna dump the bread in there. Get our onions. Put that in there. Should I have chopped them up some more? Probably so, but guess what? It's all right. I think that's enough onions. I think that's more than enough onions, but hey. Where's our egg? Take our egg, crack her open. I'm gonna use 2 eggs just because I just got 2 eggs left in there. But use 1 egg. Whisk that egg up. ASMR. I don't be leaving them little things like that in there. I take them out. And the white ones. Y'all see that? I take them out. I seen my mama doing that as a kid, and you're gonna do what your mama do the majority of the time. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna pour them eggs in there. That's why I say you're gonna need some gloves. You're gonna need some season. I probably don't even need. I'm gonna just put it all in here. If I need some more, let me see. Let me just add a little bit because that already is a lot. I ain't made this in a minute, y'all. But I think that's good. To be honest, I ain't gonna even like to. What I'm doing right now, listening to my ancestors. I ain't gonna even use that other season. Now we about to massage it. Oh, excuse me. And you want everything to blend, y'all. Can y'all hear it? Yeah, nasty. Ew. Yeah, I put a lot of onions in here, but it's alright. You smell it? I want to find out how to make like a plant-based one. Yeah, don't be afraid to get up in there now. Not everything is done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little bit and we're gonna taste it. Hopefully it smells good though. Okay. So we're gonna take the meatloaf, put it in there. Take all the meatloaf, put her in there. And remember, she is gonna shrink up, guys. Whew. Thank you. Girl, why you my best friend, girl. Thank you. We are going to shake this meatloaf. If you want to make it a heart, make it a heart. Make it anything you want. I'll make it a regular meatloaf. Or should I do it bigger? I don't know. Flatten it a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. Okay, y'all. So we had to restart the oven because she said 400 to 450. I don't know what made me think 375, but hey. So I just had to ask because I wasn't sure if like I needed to put some water in this. I haven't made this in a long time, y'all. So here homegirl is. We're gonna put her in there like that. Put the top on her. Let her cook. The juices will cook. Will come out and let her cook. Whatever. So nasty. Doing laundry and cooking at the same time. Baby, this is what mama do. Okay? This is what we do. Am I the only one when when you start working out? I think this is all plus size, like all women who are bigger or whatever. Like we don't really be want to not necessarily like wear any clothes, but like I think I just enjoy like seeing my results because you gonna see whatever it is before anybody else see it. So like I know my abs hurting. I know exactly where they hurting it. And last night I was like, it looked lumpy. Like looking at my body, but to Calvin or to everybody else, like it may not look different, but to me, I see the change before they can see it. And I'm with Calvin every day, so of course he don't see it like that, but I do. Somebody yeah. So it's not the fact that like I don't think like we waiting to oh y'all just waiting to get naked, show y'all ass or show your body, whatever. Like nah, I want to see, and it's like I'm more comfortable. I don't think it has anything to do with anybody else. Like I'm more comfortable to wear this. Of course, other people are already like you should have been comfortable, but you can't put people at your standard of how you feel like they should be or how they should think. Like because I wore a crop top before. I was just thinking like I had never wore a crop top, but I have. I made a crop top and I wore it before. When I started after I had my children and I started working out, this was this year, and I made that crop top that I made. The crop top that I made before I had kids, before I met my husband, that was like probably like 2 years before I met him. And that was just me getting like out the box or whatever, out the norm of how I dress. But I hadn't worn one since because like I personally didn't like how my stomach looked, my body looked or whatever. I didn't think it was right or whatever, but I look good. Am I gonna use that? I am. Yeah, I got up early this rising, make Calvin some breakfast. But yeah. So if your wife or let me see, if your wife or your significant other like is on a journey and then they like change up their clothes, they don't really change who they are, except they're just more confident or something. I wouldn't necessarily be like, "Oh, you trying to go holler at somebody?" Like, I wouldn't do that. Like, we have to get comfortable in our skin, in our new body, and we want to see the progress. It's some girls out there who they always wanted a belly ring, but they just didn't like how it looked on their stomach, and that's okay. It shouldn't always be, well, you should have like. That's not everybody. Everybody's story is not the same. And then I feel like people are so quick to say that, but let it let it be you. Let it be you, and you done gained all this weight. You was fit your whole life. You gonna see it's some stuff that does not look right on your body. You gonna see that it's some stuff that you're not comfortable with wearing for your body. So that's why I say like just give people grace. Let them let them grow and learn their stuff because this weight loss journey, weight loss lifestyle, whatever, like is just that. It's the same thing. You have to relearn yourself all over again because you are not that person who you was before because you have grown. You have evolved into a better version of yourself, a healthier version of yourself. So you don't you don't really know like this version of you. So you got to relearn yourself. You got to change your style because it's probably not your style anymore. Or you probably want to explore. It's not always that oh they trying to dress up now. They trying to. do this. Yeah, they probably felt like they wasn't comfortable before, and now that they are comfortable, don't make them feel like they don't need to wear what they wearing to be comfortable. They learning themselves. Cause even at this moment, I'd rather be in my sports bra. I'd rather be, especially like when I'm working out. I feel I feel most comfortable in my sports bra and some shorts, or like if I'm if I got on some sweats, that I feel that's what I feel comfortable in. Like this right now, this hot to me. You still on? You on? This right now is hot, but hey, it is what it is. So now we're gonna get this corn and we're gonna shuck it. We're gonna come to the top. I seen somebody warm it up and then pull the whole thing off, but we ain't doing all that. We're gonna shuck it how we know how to shuck it. But yeah, y'all give people grace. And y'all, speaking of the crop top, I had bought a crop top outfit, and my husband was like, "Where's you gonna wear that at?" First of all, here goes the book. First of all, y'all, he made sure. He made sure. He don't think I know. He made sure that I was with him when I wore it out, cause he seen how good I looked in that crop top. He seen the confidence. I think he got like a little green thing on him. He seen it all, baby. Cause I think we was going to the movies and I was just gonna wear something simple. Cause I was really waiting to wear the crop top like when I wear the outfit when I go out like with my friends and stuff. No, he gonna tell me you don't want to wear with you. I said I thought you ain't like it. Okay. Mm. And did she what? 4 plus 4? Definitely ate that outfit up. Look good in it. That was like my beginning of me like I'm losing how long this video gonna be, y'all, but I'm gonna be editing. I know that. And I just want to say thank you guys to everybody who is following us. All I think is 109. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Y'all don't understand. Like I've been doing YouTube since 2012, posting, erasing, posting, erasing. Not even posting like for years, that I always end up coming back like to YouTube. So we're gonna cut it in half and cut this one in half again. I want some little squares. It's hard. Yeah, girl. Thank you. Okay, go back in your room. Go in your room. I haven't made a meal like this in a minute. So y'all jumping me. My thing is, it wasn't even that serious. It wasn't to do all that. Having people think I can't cook outside. But yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all for real. And I'm going to pour it over the whole thing. Did I have too much? Probably so. Guess what? It'll be all right. We're going to put this back in the oven. I'm going to put the top on it, let it boil a little bit. Then I'm going to take the top off and let it just brown a little. Oh, y'all can't see it. I thought y'all could see it. That's it right there. Get the fuck out of me.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. No, fine. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe.